Hi, my name is Livingston and I'm here to help you make an app in Android Studio without any programming skills using Cursor AI. First, you will need to download both Android Studio and Cursor AI from their website, which I linked below. Cursor AI is a paid AI-powered code editor and assistant designed to improve developer productivity. It typically operates on a subscription model, with advanced features available through paid plans and a free 2-week trial for hobbyists. Let's open up Android Studio and create a new project. Select No Activity and let the AI do everything later. Press Next. Change the name of the project. I will name mine as Calendar. You do not need to change anything else unless you have a much older phone. In that case, select Minimum SDK and select which Android version you want your app to work on. Click Finish. It might take a while for your app to build depending on your hardware. Give it some time. You can check the status at the bottom right corner. Once it is done, you can open up your Cursor AI app. The first time you open Cursor AI, you need to choose which folder it needs to read. Open up Composer by using the shortcut Ctrl+I. Now we can tell the AI what we want it to do. Type at Codebase in Composer. Select the Composer or hit Tab button. This feature in Cursor Chat allows the AI to scan the codebase for relevant code. Then type your app, then press Shift+Enter to go to the next line and write what you want the AI to do. In our case, I am just going to ask it to write a simple notes app and then add features later. When it is done, you can see the summary of what it did on the chat. Just accept all changes it did. Go back to your Android Studio app to run your program in the virtual phone by pressing the play button on top. It might take a while depending on your hardware. The first code ran into an error. To fix this error, just copy the error log and paste it to the Composer so the AI can fix it. Once it is done, accept everything and go to Android Studio to run the app. Press Run to rebuild the app, then wait. Now we have a working simple calendar app. We can now add features to it to our liking. I want to remove the banner first. Remember, you still need to guide it on how to make the app. Add or remove features that fits your needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Good luck in making your own app and keep learning.